Okay, for Reliance Industries, again, the trend is bit range bound and it has covered the previous fall to the tune of, say, 61% retracement from the bottom. And it will take a while to, actually breach this, and the stock is under pressure. So if it is trending down, the Nifty is moving down to 300, and then my ultimate target's at 9600. Then Reliance is going to be the biggest participant, and for the positional target, Reliance's my target is 920. So I
What
am
about
not
Yes
upbeat
Bank?
by Reliance at this point.
Punit, what about Yes Bank?
Yes, Bank. Okay. So Yes Bank has made that bottom of 146, and I don't believe much of downside from there. So it has already made lower lows. Last time it was 166, made a low of 146 point something. So this time, if it sustains 157 belt, I think it's a good entry belt between 152 to 157 zone. There could be a panic selling, so we have 2 days to watch. So I think the panic bottom should be bought. If you get that opportunity, 152, 153, it's a good bet. And don't get panic at 142 odd levels, because that is going to be the positional stop loss, which the operator might trigger. I think that's where you should have that entry, and the stock could be in range of, say, 140 at the lower levels, on a higher end 182. So 182 stands at the pivot level, and say suppose it consolidates for 2-3 months above that 182 levels, it has a capacity to move to 240 to 250 odd levels. So nothing to worry. See, these are all good bets, and this is something we've seen fall from 400 rupees. So these are actually more bargain points, and there's nothing wrong with the banks, because it's again a pressure on the government to if some negative thing happens, but it's a good delivery point. All those people who have want to have that in portfolio, I think this is the best of the bit. So 150 is something a very much bargaining point.
Jubilant
And
Food,
one more,
Jubilant Food.
Tata Motors finally.
You can have your positional stop loss of 134 if you're carrying it. So which I don't think there are very rare chances of breaking it. So if some down circuit happens in Nifty, or some trade war happens, so that could be the situation. But this is not easy to break the previous low.